A pookum? Well, you don't know. As a real revivalist, you don't know anyone with them have to bring the revival. You get what I'm saying? So I want you to watch this video and watch it to the end because it's a surprise at the end. But this video is a behind the scenes moment on the One Love Bob Marley movie set. Well, you know, some people don't say behind the scenes, so we say off camera. A pookum? Do you know who is that? Our beloved cultural icon, Faye Ellington. Cultural consultant, advisor, whatever the role is, she's responsible on that Bob Marley set to make sure everything is close and very close to our culture. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video.
Amazing.
You know who was that? Do you know who was that? That's my director, Reynaldo Marcus Green. Big up yourself, my brother. you're so authentic and you submerge yourself in the process. And I respect that. You know what? I wish you a fucking Best Director nomination and the victory. Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Yeah, yes, must eat. My mom says, you know, when music hit, you know.
Yeah, man, no pain, bless her.
No pain, I tell you, bro. Tell you.
Not even
You mean to tell me I play drum and you ain't call me?
You didn't plan it.